Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Proving the Concept, the podcast where we dive into the weird, wonderful, and sometimes bizarre world of science and technology. I'm Sarah Goffin, your guide on this journey through discovery, invention, and curiosity. Today, we're tuning into our gut instincts, quite literally. This episode, called Gut Feeling, is all about the fascinating science of the gut microbiome. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and some truly mind-blowing facts about the microscopic world living inside us. And as always, we'll round off the episode by shining a spotlight on a trailblazing scientist who has made significant strides in this field. So let's dive right in. The gut microbiome. What exactly is it? In simplest terms, is the ecosystem of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and other microbes living in our digestive systems. While that might sound unsettling, these little guys are critical to our health. In fact, they're so vital that scientists sometimes call the gut our second brain. Why? Well, for one, the gut and brain communicate directly through something called the gut-brain axis. This connection plays a role in digestion, mood, immune response, and even cognitive function. Yes, your gut bugs might be influencing how you feel and think. Fun fact, did you know that the microbes in your body outnumber your human cells? Some estimates say we're only 43% human by cell count. Isn't that crazy? So, why does the gut microbiome matter so much? Scientists have uncovered links between gut health and a staggering array of conditions, from obesity and diabetes to depression and Alzheimer's disease. And here's how it works. The gut microbiome helps break down food, producing essential nutrients like vitamins B and K. It regulates your immune system, training it to differentiate between harmful invaders and harmless substances. And it produces neurotransmitters like serotonin. About 90% of it is made in the gut. But when the balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut is disrupted, a condition called dysbiosis, it can lead to inflammation and disease. For example, research has shown that an unhealthy gut microbiome can contribute to autoimmune disorders, allergies, and even mental health issues. Here's another fun fact. Scientists are now exploring fecal microbiota transplants as a treatment for gut-related illnesses. Yes, that's exactly what it sounds like. Transferring stool from a healthy donor to a sick patient. Strange, but potentially effective. The gut microbiome is full of surprises, and I've got some fun and bizarre facts to share with you. Number 1, microbial fingerprints. Your gut microbiome is as unique as your fingerprint. Even identical twins have distinct microbial compositions. Number 2, microbiome tourism. Traveling to new places can alter your microbiome. So your gut might have a passport of sorts, reflecting the places you've been. Number 3, zombie ants and their gut bugs. In the insect world, certain parasites manipulate the gut microbiomes of their host to control their behavior. Scientists are still uncovering whether something similar might happen in humans, but don't worry, no zombie apocalypses just yet. And number 4, the ancient microbiome. Our ancestors' gut microbiomes are more diverse than ours, thanks to our diet. Modern processed foods have reduced this diversity, which might explain the rise in chronic illnesses. Now it's time for my favourite segment, celebrating a remarkable scientist in this field. Today we're shining a spotlight on Dr. Ruth Ley, a microbiome researcher who had made groundbreaking discoveries. Dr. Ley is the director of the Department of Microbiome Science at the Max Planck Institute for Biology in Germany. Her work focuses on how the gut microbiome interacts with human health and evolution. One of her most influential studies explored how gut bacteria affect body weight and obesity. Dr. Ley and her team found that lean and obese individuals have distinct gut microbiome profiles. In fact, when gut bacteria from obese mice were transferred to lean mice, the lean mice gained weight just from a change in their microbiome. Her research also investigates how gut microbes are passed from mothers to babies during childbirth, which has huge implications for infant health. Dr. Ley is helping us understand the deep connections between our microbial ecosystems and our biology. So here's to Dr. Ruth Ley, one of the many women driving this fascinating field forwards. And that's a wrap on today's episode, Gut Feeling. We've journeyed through the microscopic world of the gut microbiome, explored its vital role in our health, uncovered some bizarre facts, and celebrated the work of Dr. Ruth Ley. If this episode has left you curious, there's so much more to learn about this field, from the potential of probiotics and personalized diets to the ethical dilemmas of microbiome-based treatments. The gut microbiome is a frontier of science and medicine that's just beginning to unfold. Thank you for tuning in to Proving the Concept. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend, leave a review, or reach out with your own gut-related stories or questions. Until next time, stay curious and trust your gut.